Big changes, and it all starts today. Big news coming from 702 from Las Vegas to you, boys and girls. I apologize. I've been away for a while. I haven't been uploading as many videos, though I have a ton of videos to do. I'm going to get to them, I promise. Big changes, though. We got big changes coming. First, I want to apologize. Need to apologize to you guys. I have to apologize. I want to apologize. Need to apologize to you guys. I have to apologize. It's been a long time. I've been super busy. It's been a busy summer. My video production has been lagging, but I have a ton of work to do. But I'm excited to announce that I'm making my own YouTube studio. That's right. It's gonna be coming to you live from my new studio eventually. It's gonna be some hard work. Probably gonna take me a few weeks to get this up and running, but I'm looking forward to it. Picking out the furnishings and everything I need in the room right now. I got some exciting news. I can't wait to show you. Stick around. Got some exciting news for you. Putting together a little channel trailer. And in this, I wanted to document my new goals for my channel. It's been a pleasure bringing you guys all this information. I do my best to make the best videos I can, give you the most information to help you as you make your travel plans, whether it be Las Vegas, whether it be Florida, whether it be Hawaii, Bora Bora, Bangkok, Phuket, Dominican Republic, Costa Rica, Hawaii, California, wherever you may go. I hope I go there and stay some places you want to stay. And I want to thank you for all your support, racking up all those views for me, getting lots of views. I really appreciate that. I also need some subscriptions, so in order to do that, I'm trying to make some better videos for you. Get myself on camera a little more, introduce myself, let you know what my goals are. Because of that, I've been at this 15 months. I've been pretty happy with the progress, but now I want to up my game. I want to raise my game for you guys. My goal is to make more videos, to make more cinematic videos, and just improve the overall quality of my videos. I'm still learning photography, I'm still learning production, I'm still learning editing. I'm trial and error, I learn as I go, and the reason my videos have been taking longer and longer to come out right now is I just want to make them better and better for you guys. So in an effort to do that, I decided to sell the home that me and my wife currently live in. Gonna make some money off of that sale. We're gonna get ourselves another home that has a little bit larger space. I'm gonna create for myself an actual studio where I could do a lot of filmmaking. I want to start commentating over my videos, recording, things like that. So excited about that news, and I apologize once again for the delay in my videos, but that's basically the reason, as well as a few other things. That's some health issues in the family. My wife lost a beloved cat, and that was a dilemma to go through. I also had a very large listing in real estate that I still need to make my money in real estate, so that's been eating up some of my time. But my goal here is to eventually to get over to YouTube full-time, launch a photography business, video production, editing, things like that. So that is my goal. That's why I started this channel, and as well as wanting to share important information with you guys. So thank you very much for your patience. I promise I'll get more videos coming up. I got videos for Dominican Republic, for Costa Rica, for Hawaii. Gonna make a new one for Florida. Got a lot of videos I gotta get up, just gotta find the time to do it. Building myself a studio with a proper desk, great editing, maybe an editing computer, good screens. Right now I've just been doing it from my laptop, and that has been slowing me down. I had some setbacks with lost data, hard drive fails, things like that. That's been a learning experience as well, but I think I'm triple backing up all my work now, and I'm learning as I go. So once again, thank you very much for your patience. 702 from Las Vegas to you. Can't wait to show you the new place video coming up. Back in Vegas, guys. Good morning, headed over to the new place. Got a delivery, getting a brand new entertainment center for my TV, and also getting together my new studio for my recording. So trying to up my game, so I apologize in the delay once again. I'm gonna get to those videos, I promise, but I'm looking forward to building this studio and getting myself a nice comfortable space to do all these things. So we'll see you soon. All right, here we are. It's beginning to take shape. I think this is where I'm gonna set up a studio here with some lights. Got some good room, good depth. Shoot some video. Those shelves are going in my office here, going against that wall there, got my TV over here, where I can watch YouTube, and then my desk right here. You gotta buy the new big monitor, maybe a wraparound, something like that. And taking shape. Looks like my TV entertainment center is here. There's the truck, so I'll show you where that's gonna go. There you go, right there. Tons of work, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry again for these videos being late, but I'm gonna get some more up there. Got plenty of things to do. Got some Costa Rica videos, some Florida videos. Where else? Got a lot of videos to do. We'll see you soon.